Rum now, family.
Jackson! You gotta keep down your doors.